Welcome back to our series on establishing healthy family habits. In this third part, we'll delve into the importance of hygiene and self-care routines for the whole family. Let's start with personal hygiene. Encouraging daily habits such as bathing, brushing teeth, and washing hands helps prevent illness and promotes overall well-being. By instilling these habits from a young age, you're teaching your children the importance of taking care of their bodies and maintaining good health. Next, let's talk about household hygiene. Keeping your home clean and tidy not only creates a pleasant living environment but also helps prevent the spread of germs and allergens. Whether you tackle chores as a family or assign specific tasks to each member, maintaining a clean home promotes physical health and mental well-being. Now, on to self-care. Taking time for self-care activities such as exercise, relaxation, and hobbies is essential for reducing stress and nurturing mental and emotional well-being. Encouraging each family member to prioritize self-care fosters a sense of balance and resilience, helping them better cope with the demands of daily life. Lastly, let's discuss nutrition. Eating a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and lean proteins is key to supporting overall health and well-being. By emphasizing the importance of nutritious eating habits and modeling healthy choices, you're setting your family up for a lifetime of good health. And there you have it, the importance of hygiene and self-care routines for the whole family. By prioritizing personal hygiene, household cleanliness, self-care, and nutrition, you're nurturing the health and well-being of your loved ones. Stay tuned for the next part of our series, where we'll explore monthly habits to keep your family thriving. Thanks for watching.